If you're using a shop vac for dust collection, I can almost guarantee you've run into the same frustration that I have, which is constantly having to walk back and forth between either the miter saw or table saw and the shop vac, just to turn it on and off in between cuts. So today I'm going to show you a really simple, pretty affordable little switch that is going to save you so much time and frustration in the shop. So this here is the vacuum switch, and I'll just walk you through quickly what the features are. Basically, this is where you're going to plug, generally speaking, your shop vac in or a dust collection system. And then this is where you're going to plug in either your table saw or your miter saw. And basically how this is going to work is, depending on your settings here, as soon as you turn on your saw or whatever tool, you can see they list a couple other examples, it's going to delay so you don't trip your breaker, but then trigger your vacuum to turn on. So you can set it here. If you want to just have them plugged into this and keep it on all the time, you could set it to on, but usually you're going to use auto if you want it to automatically turn on your vacuum. You can set a delay of 3, 7, or 10 seconds on this particular model, and then you can also choose the wattage at which it turns on. So pretty simple. I'll show you how I set it up, but I think you're really going to like this tool. So I don't have mine wall mounted, but I probably should do that. Pretty simple. So like I said, I'm going to plug my shop vac in the top one, and then I'll plug my table saw into the other one. And now that I've got this plugged in, you're going to set your vacuum to on. So make sure you have your vacuum set on by default. You'll see it's on, it's plugged in, but it's not going to run until we trigger our table saw. So I'll show you how we do that. So the vacuum is already set to on, but it's not actually going to trigger until we turn this on. So if you listen, you'll hear the table saw, and then a few seconds later, the vacuum. So not too much else to this video. It's a pretty simple tool. I'm not affiliated with this company at all, but I do like this particular one. I got it as a gift, but it comes right off of Amazon. There's a couple other brands that probably work similarly, but the features on here work really well for me. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. I really hope that you found it helpful. And if you have one of these, let me know what you think of it. If you like this type of content, please make sure to subscribe and like this video so you can see more similar content in the future. Thanks for watching.